Hi, I'm Derek Willis with DaVoice, and today we're going to learn how to attach our tripod to our camera. If you'll notice at the top of your tripod, there is a screw protruding out of the top. This screw actually goes through your tripod quick release plate. To remove this plate, just pull back on the locking lever and remove the plate. Underneath the plate, there is a thumb screw that attaches to the screw that is a 1/4 inch standard screw. To attach the quick release plate to your camera, simply line the 1/4 inch screw up with the 1/4 inch receiver on your camera. Give the thumb screw a couple of spins, and your quick release plate is attached securely to your camera. Now, to mount it back to the tripod, simply line the square up with the holder on your tripod, and don't forget to depress your locking lever back in. Now your tripod is attached to your camera. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our channel for future videos, and I'll post some links of the most common tripod quick release plates that you can purchase in case you need one for your tripod. Thank you again.